Looking for the fuse box on your Nissan Navara 2004 to 2015? In this video, I'll show you the exact fuse box location and fuse diagram step by step. Passenger compartment fuse box. The fuse box is located behind the lid in the glove compartment. Open the glove compartment and pull the fuse box cover to remove it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more fuse box, relay, and wiring diagram videos. Engine compartment. Under the hood, in the engine compartment of the car on the left side, next to the battery, there are 3 blocks with fuses and relays. Fuse and relay box. Type 1. Diagram from cover. Diagram from the block cover. Type 2. Fuse box. Diagram. Relay box. Power fuse box. On the positive terminal of the battery, under the red protective cover, there is a block of high-power fuses.